Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. Today we'll unbox and review the mini-o-grabox May 2019 edition. It's priced super affordably at just Rs 279 including shipping, and it contains skincare, makeup, jewelry all in one. Without any further ado, let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package has reached me. So here is the brown cardboard box which has the Facon logo and website address mentioned on it. Once we open, we have the info card rolled like this, and there's a pouch which has all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So I can see a lot of makeup this month. I'm already happy. The first thing is this Me Now mascara. It says the brush is specially designed which reveals lashes you never knew you had. So it's a 10 ml product and it comes in a very fat tube like this. Here are more details, how to use, etc. So I've used some Me Now mascaras before and they were pretty decent, so definitely good to receive if you're a beginner and you want quite a lot of makeup in an affordable price range. I think this box is gonna be awesome for you because they have a lipstick too. So this is by the brand Yanse. It's their rich color matte lipstick, seamless shedding light lips. So here are the benefits mentioned. It's a seal pack actually. Let me open it. So it has 3.8 grams of product. And it has a natural matte finish as per their claims. So let's open this. Oh, I love the packaging. It has a rose gold packaging, guys. It looks so pretty already. So packaging wise, I'm pretty impressed. So the shade I have received is 19 Hot Pink. Wow, it's a beautiful shade, guys. I really like it. And just look at the bullet. It looks so matte on the bullet itself. Oh wow, I love the shade. It's such a gorgeous shade, guys. It's gonna suit everybody. It's a very nice nude pink shade. It's not hot at all. It's not very bright. It's a very subtle color that you can wear to your college, your office. Beautiful everyday wear shade. I really liked it. It's very creamy and you can see it's just a single swipe with very light hands and it's completely opaque. So pigmentation wise also it's great. It has a like demi matte kind of finish, which is very good. I do not like the really drying matte finishes most of the times because they dry out your lips. So the finish is great, pigmentation is great, shade is amazing. I really love this product. This one I'm definitely gonna use. And the packaging is rose gold. I mean, it's so pretty. Then we have a product from SFR Color and this is their glitter gel. And I have received this very pretty purple color. So the color is 06 for me. And here are more details, ingredients and all. Let's open and check it out. I am not going to use it now. If I swatch it, it's gonna be all over me. But just look at the color. That is so gorgeous. I really like the shade. It's a beautiful purple. And glitters are so much in trend nowadays. I actually use glittery eyeshadows a lot, but I rarely use glitters. But this is such a pretty color. I'll probably use it and try. So far we have 3 makeup products. There's another one which is this Beauty Bubble Cosmetic Puff. It has MRP of 30 and it's this sponge, this triangular sponge. So this is something you can call it as makeup or skincare depending on how you use it. So if you're just a newbie to makeup and you don't have a makeup sponge or any beauty blender or anything like that, you can actually use this to blend your foundation and to blend all your base products. Of course, it's not gonna be as good as a beauty blender or even the dupes of a beauty blender, but this does work. Like I've seen people using this and you can make do with it initially. And the way I use these puffs is to remove my face pack after I use them or to remove my scrub. So I just dampen them and remove whatever I have on my face like scrubs and packs, and if I have applied some moisturizer that I want to remove properly, you can use it like that as a skincare product as well. So it's a multi-purpose product. There are so many ways you can use them. Now moving on, as always, we have a piece of jewelry and this time we have these pair of earrings. So this is how they look. They are in rusted gold finish and they have these cute little birdies and they are quite huge in size, so definitely very nice statement piece for any festive season, or if you're wearing ethnic, these will look so amazing with lehengas and suits, salwar suits, and even saris. You can pair this, and this is something that you need not pair with any necklace as such because they are really grand by themselves, and I really like the pattern as well. They do look very pretty. So those are all the products. We definitely have a lot of makeup this month and I am personally very happy with it. Here we have the rolled up info card. So the lashes mascara by me now is for 250 rupees. Color matte lipstick is for 700 rupees. Oh guys, this is really expensive, but the packaging and the quality actually justifies the pricing. I'm not aware of this brand, but actually the quality seemed really nice. The glitter gel by SFR is 150 rupees, earrings for 250, and the cosmetic bubble puff is for 30 rupees. So the total worth of products is 1380 rupees, which is more than 1000 rupees more. You're just gonna pay 279 including shipping. So this is definitely a blockbuster edition. I especially loved the lipstick, and mascara is also something that everybody needs. I use mascaras pretty often, like even sometimes if I feel like having a no kajal look, I like to put on some mascara to add on some natural drama to my makeup or whatever look I'm carrying. So I'm pretty impressed with this edition. I'll give it a big thumbs up and will totally recommend this box to all of you guys. It's so affordable. Even if you like or use just one product, it's value for money, and you're getting 5 products at such a price tag, and you don't even have to pay for shipping. They charge a nominal fees of 75 rupees if you want to order it by cash on delivery. Coming to the personalization part, there is no personalization. All the things will be same, so you will be receiving all of this, and you can expect delivery approximately within 10 working days from the day you order. So that was all for the review of mini-o-grabox May 2019 edition. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.